Alright, this is the elevator here at Hospital Sierra Madre in Monterrey, Mexico. We have an Otis Gen2 installed in 2003. The door's taking a while to open. I'm gonna start off by going down to PB. We're here at P1. Here at PB. Unfortunately, we're not going to point the camera out because there's a staff member out. Door close. Does not work. There it goes. Here at P1 again. Right, down at PB. So we cab you now. Realize Otis Gen2 elevator. Here are the fixtures with the key sensor. There's the indicator, and down here's your Otis nameplate, and here at PB. Right. Social distancing. Ninguna. Nada más venía subiendo y bajando. You have it, and that's it.